Ma'am Char Ma'am Charmy Tena. Ayan, nag-avail po sila kanina ng 1,000 PV. Lahat po ng mga nag-avail until today ng 1,000 PV, makukuha nyo po yung free eyewear nyo po tomorrow kasi today is the deadline. Shout out Team Mavericks. Aba, may pa-shout out si Ma'am Jen. Welcome po, Sir Robert. Good evening po, Ma'am Irene, from Ma'am Jen. Siguro ito si Ma'am Jen yung HK ito. Good evening po from Ma'am Lydia Balili of Cebu. Then, good evening po, Ma'am Irene, and to all visionaries watching from Batangas, from Ma'am Rusel Cariaga. Aba. Good evening po sa lahat from Iligan City. Aba, andito na si Ma'am Jean. Hello, Ma'am Irene. Gandang gabi po dyan from Moscow, Russia. Siya po ang ating Master Stockist from Moscow. Good evening po from Isabela, Ma'am Hazel. Master Stockist po ng Isabela and others. Kasi hindi lang po siya sa Isabela. Good evening po, Ma'am Irene from Pangasinan. Isabela Superpower. Yes, Sir Jess. Apply ng taga Isabela. Good evening po from Iron World, Batangas. Good evening po sa lahat ng 184. Padamihin natin. Sir Mark, hindi ka dumating kanina. Sir Mark Contreras, Newborn City, Caloocan. Wow, Team Iron Max. Dami nating team Sir John Riel Tibor, good evening po ma'am. Pa-shoutout naman po from Pagadian, Tukuran, Team Yahoo. Wow, dami. Next is from Gina Del Mundo. Good evening po from Team Dora. Aba, ito lang yung mga kasama ko dati Ay, kanina. Shout out, Ma'am Team Diamond from Ma'am Mel Liwag. Shout out kay Sir Max. Aba, hindi ko pa siya nakikita, Ma'am Gina. Parang hindi pa siya naka-open. Aba, magkabilang mundo. Hinahanap ng joke. Ito, from Ma'am Carmela. Hello, ka-visionaries from Team Iron World. Ayan na, malapit nang mag-200. Magyaya pa para mag-start na tayo. Sino pa mga magpapa-shoutout? Ito si Ma'am Mirna Villas. Good evening po everyone. Shout out po pala Team Survivor. Tomorrow po may presentation sila dito sa office. 2 o'clock po, Thursday. Good evening po from Team VIP Tanawan, from Marilyn Sarmiento. Good evening po from Ayon Dasma. Galing ng pangalan Malu Manayaw. Mirna Villas po from Pasig. Wow, ang lapit dito sa atin. Ito, may bago. Ma'am, pa-shout out. Saskia Team Iloilo. Ay, kala ko HK lang to si Ma'am Saskia. Meron din pa pala siyang group sa Iloilo. Team Iloilo, good evening. Good evening po from Lapu-Lapu City. Shout out Team Diamond. Shout out also to Team Ironman Rizal. Hi, Tita Billy. Shout out Team Zion Quezon. Shout out to all Team Baguio. Good evening po, Ma'am Irene, watching from Montalban, Rizal. Ayan, andyan si Ma'am Marisa, Team Tarlac, Team JJ. MGI Ion, Extra Strength Sorsogon, watching. Nanonood na po yung iba sa Facebook Live, ma'am. Aba, naka-Facebook Live na pala tayo. Okay, so mamaya ko na po basahin yung mga ibang shout out para makapagsimula na po tayo kasi baka mamaya mainit. Pero shout out sa 189. Okay, so hindi ko na po patatagalin. Mamaya po babasahin ko yung mga shout out. Okay, magandang gabi sa inyo pong lahat. It's a Wednesday evening for all of us. Good evening, visionaries. The reason why we called for a Zoom meeting today is for the launching of the new products. Hi, Tita Billy. Ayan. So, nakikita nyo naman siguro dito sa HQ yung mga ibang products natin. So now, we will officially launch our new product. So, palakpak naman dyan. Pa-heart naman. Padamihan ng heart. Kasi, finally, makikita nyo na siya sa system. So, yung mga gustong-gusto ninyong product na nakikita nyo lang sa Facebook, magkakaroon na siya sa system. So, ngayon, hindi ko na po patatagalin and we have invited the executive committee to discuss about the new products that we will be launching. So, I will call on our very passionate, napakasipag nating general manager, and ngayon ay i-discuss niya sa atin ang ating mga new products. So, I will call on our one and only Global General Manager, Sir Bram Sichawan.
Now available in MGI Philippines, our new nanotechnology products. Get ready! MGI Energy Bracelet 4-in-1. The MGI Energy Bracelet is made of high-quality hypoallergenic and food-grade synthetic material. It is made of high-quality stainless steel and equipped with 4 elements: germanium, negative ion, far infrared, nanosilver, and 30 types of minerals combined. The MGI Energy Bracelet is waterproof and can be worn while swimming, bathing, and during all other activities too. These items not only stylish, but also good for your health. The rubber band is made of food-grade silicone, which has been proven safe to use. MGI Elbow Support, the first and only one elbow support with 4 elements in the world, which is soft and durable, made of bamboo charcoal fiber. This charcoal is processed and is made into nanoparticle and embedded into the cotton and polyester fibers due to its absorptive properties. Activated bamboo charcoal helps to detoxify the skin by removing pollutants, chemicals, and bacteria. MGI Elbow Support is embedded with far infrared, nanosilver, organic germanium, and also negative ion. MGI Fabric Ionized Mask. MGI Fabric Ionized Mask is the first and only one fabric mask with 5 elements that can be used repeatedly. With 5 elements, negative ion, far infrared, germanium, bamboo, charcoal fabric, and nano silver, which can eliminate up to 99.9% bacteria, germs, virus, or fungi. This mask acts as an assisting tool to supply more oxygen to facial or skin pores. It helps your face appear younger and glowing skin. MGI New Men's Underwear, stretchable to 3XL. It is a men's therapy underwear specially designed to protect men's reproductive organs, kidneys, and prostate. Manufactured with German nanotechnology, embedded with germanium, far infrared, negative ion, and nanosilver. The fabric fibers also includes bamboo charcoal, modal fiber, and 5% spandex. A special technology fabric that is antibacterial, odor resistant, and can perfectly protect the men's golden triangle area. MGI New Women's Mid-Rise Underwear, stretchable to 3XL. It is a women's therapy underwear, manufactured with German nanotechnology, embedded with germanium, far infrared, negative ion, and nano silver. The fabric fibers also includes bamboo, charcoal, modal fiber, and 5% spandex. A special technology fabric that is antibacterial, odor resistant, safe for pregnant and lactating women, able to help maintaining uterine fertility, and also improving women's ovaries health. MGI Nano Bra Pads. The first BRI pads with nanotechnology in the world contains 5 elements: negative ion, far infrared, nano silver, germanium, and copper fiber. MGI Nano Bra Pads provide comfortable and air-permeable ergonomic cutting, promotes blood circulation, maintain bosom elasticity and health, shapes and lifts the bosoms. Suitable for all ages, copper fiber around the pads to stimulate breast blood flow and metabolism, firming and lifting effect, and prevent breast tumor or cancer. For further information, please contact your local master stockist, leaders, or MGI Philippines HQ staffs.
Can you hear now? Okay, I think that's some problem. Hold on. Okay, now can hear my voice? For those who can hear my voice clearly, perhaps can type 1. Loud and clear. In Facebook also? Okay, in Facebook, I want to check the Facebook Live. Okay, in Facebook, can you hear my voice? Okay, I think most of you can listen to my voice now. All right, loud and clear in FB also. All right, great. Okay, so maybe before that, most of people cannot listen to my voice. So once again, I want to greet you all. Welcome to the presentation of the new product launch. I'm Bram Setiawan Lim from the HQ. I'm really excited today that I will become the person who will present our exciting new products, okay, that will coming very soon, okay. You can really touch the product very soon, okay. So let's, without further ado, let's continue. Okay, I try to share my screen again. Okay, so everyone can see my screen, Ma'am Irene, okay, can see my screen? Okay, Nabo? Okay, so let's get started. Welcome to MGI Philippines new product launching announcement. So what are the products that we launch? So I will explain one by one. We start from the new underwear product first. Okay, the new underwear product first, which is actually previously we had a same product, okay, the underwear for both men and women. But previously, I think stretchable only until XX, okay, 2XL. But now we already released the new underwear product for both men and women that is more stretchable to triple XL. It's bigger, wider, okay, and also with the more high quality fabric. So for the women, okay, for the women, we have the Nano Women's Underwear Mid-Rise. So for the new incoming products, so here are the items. Okay, so for the new incoming products for women, the underwear is only for the mid-rise. Okay, the low-rise, no, we not release the low-rise. So only the mid-rise, stretchable. Okay, it's more wider, it's bigger. Okay, and it contains, just like as video said, the bamboo charcoal, germanium, far infrared, negative ion, nano silver are all inside the fabric, especially in the middle of the underwear. Later, I will show you more. I think because of the PowerPoint, so my photo a bit small. Later, I will close down PowerPoint so you can see the product okay, more clearly. And then after that, so it's designed as the women's therapy underwear that manufactured with German nanotechnology, embedded with germanium, far infrared, negative ion, and nano silver. And also the fabric itself includes the bamboo charcoal, modal fiber, and 5% spandex. Spandex is for the elasticity. Okay, so it's very wide, it's very elastic, it's very nice to use, breathable, of course. A special technology fabric that is antibacterial, odor resistant, safe for pregnant and lactating women, able to help maintaining uterine fertility and also improving women's ovarian health. So for ladies, for women, actually why we develop this kind of products, okay? Because if we talk about women private parts, okay, here if I can say, women's private part is very sensitive, right? Especially here in the middle, okay? So that's why in the middle of the underwear, there are more something like this, okay? Okay, so maybe if you can see, I already pinned my image there, okay? So here in the middle, okay, there is like a circle round here, okay? The ion is more in this area. It's inside. It's in the public. What is that, private area? It's the women private parts. Okay. So it's very wide. It's very elastic. It's stretchable to 3XL. Wait, let me see. Okay, here. Okay, it's very wide. Okay, for men. Okay, don't put this on the head. Okay, just joking. So okay, so now we try to test it, the ion. Okay, so here I have the negative ion tester here. So I will demonstrate also test the negative ion for each products. Okay, for each products. Okay, let me turn on. So let's see how many is the negative ion for the underwear, for the ladies underwear. Okay. Okay, it's keep blinking now. Okay, it's keep blinking, as you can see. Okay, it's around 1,575. So if we talk about the ion testing, okay, in every time I do presentation, I always say that the negative ion or other infrared levels, they are running like a wave. Okay, they're running like a wave. So in every second, they can rise, they can low, they can rise, they can low. But for this underwear, okay, the negative ion level usually is start from between 1,300 until 2,000. Okay. Now, why we more focused on the private part? Because if we talk about women private part, okay, mostly the fungi, okay, the fungi are there, okay, because it's a bit humid. Okay, so the fungi can develop there. That's why for ladies, for women, especially for those who are already given birth, usually a lot of problems occur. For example, like cervical cancer, and then like a myome, and then like a tumor there because of maybe got a not smooth in the menstruation or something like that. So it it can happen because some of the body metabolism and also the virus and the fungi are there. Okay, so that's why we are focusing there. And most of the women sometimes outside, maybe when they travel, sometimes they go to the dirty CR. Okay, the CR is not clean enough, the dirty. So with this, with the negative ion and far infrared there, it may help to cleanse, it may help to stimulate and accelerate blood circulation in the women private parts. That means if the circulation is good, it can mix the, what is that? It can make the vagina, okay, will become cleaner, and the fungi of virus can be cleansed. Especially we have the nano silver also. Okay, that's why this is very important. Okay, one pack consists of contains 3 pieces. Okay, the price, how much? I will tell you after this. Okay, so now we are going to explain the product description first. Okay, so this is the packaging. Inside here, there are 3 pieces of it. So let's go to the next product. For the Q&A session, don't worry, we will have the Q&A session after I finish my presentation, okay? And for the PowerPoint and also the previous video after this presentation, I will ask Ma'am Erin to share to all of you, okay? So, okay, let's go to the next item. Okay, let me share screen again. Okay, so as what I mentioned before, the benefits, it helps keeping the reproductive system healthy, maintain and optimize kidney function, improve blood circulation, boost and fertility of women, sexual dysfunction disorder, helps eliminating bacteria, whitening effects, okay, increasing blood oxygen, and helps in overall detoxification. Okay, these are all the benefits. And the products itself, okay, of course, when we want to invent something and we want to release something to the market, we want to deliver products with a good quality. That's why before we launch, we always do the test report. So here is the test report of our products. So all of our products in MGI, everything, actually we have a test report, and all the test report are uploaded in our website. Okay, www.mgiclub.com. Okay, but for these new items, new product certifications, maybe will be uploaded by tomorrow. Okay, so all of them actually are inside the system. Okay, in the website, I mean. Okay, and we have the CE there. Okay, CE. What is CE? CE means certified. Okay, so standards. Okay, the standards are approved and certified in Europe also. Okay, so it's very, very safe and effective. Okay, so no need to doubt about our products. Our products are very, very high quality. Okay, so this is about the women's underwear. Next, we go to the next item, still in underwear section, but now is for the men. Just now is for the ladies, now for the men. Men, of course, underwear for men is also essential for our health. Okay, this is the products. Okay, later I show you also. So the slide here is the it contains the far infrared, negative ion, nano silver, germanium stone, and then also embedded with the fabric itself is of modal fiber, spandex, and bamboo charcoal. Okay, same specification with women's underwear. But for the men's, of course, the therapy is quite different. While the women's therapy is mostly to keep the private parts clean, for male, of course, it's also to help the private organs, especially the prostate. Okay, especially for prostate. That's why here it's very, very good for your golden triangle there. Yeah. Same with the ladies. For the golden triangle, also there are a lot of dots. Okay, in the middle, in the center of the underwear. Okay, manufactured with the German nanotechnology, embedded with germanium, far infrared, negative ion, and nano silver. Then the fabric fibers also includes bamboo charcoal, modal fiber, and 5% spandex. The special technology fabric that is antibacterial, odor resistant, and can perfectly protect the men's golden triangle area. Okay. And the benefits: improving men's vitality and fertility, help in getting harder erections, maintain prostate health, reducing back pain due to kidney, frequent urination, and improving blood circulation, help in sexual dysfunction and disorder, improving quantity and quality of sperm, limiting bacteria, increasing blood oxygen, absorbing involuntary loss of urine. Okay, so these benefits are very good for men's private part also. Okay, especially men. If we talk about men's private part, okay, one of the very essential is your parts is getting harder and stronger when do the night sport, correct or not? Okay, so this is for those who have like a dysfunction erection. What is that? Dysfunction erection. Yeah, that means you can use this for your therapy. Now, this is the underwear. Okay, let me show you. Same like the previous one, but this one is wider. Okay, and only one color. For the women, the color is almost the same with the previous one, but for the men, the color is different. Previous one was black, okay, but now it's red bricks red, okay, the bricks red, okay, and it's very elastic, very big, okay. So with these two underwears, if we talk about the chances, okay, of the market, of course, we are enlarging our market because maybe from by previous underwear, some of them who may be a bit overweight or big, have big body, maybe cannot fit in, but now we can give therapy and help them too, okay? So now let's go to the ion testing. Okay, it's a proof. Okay, this is the center area, just I show you. Okay, let's start with test. How much is the negative ion level? Let's go. Okay, it's keep blinking. Okay, keep blinking, still blinking. Okay, 2,920. Okay, so same as like the ladies' underwear, actually, like the negative ion is up and down, up and down. Okay, so sometimes 1,000, sometimes 1,500, sometimes 2,000, and sometimes more. Okay, but we have the test report to show. So that means all the negative ion level that being tested are already standardized with our organs needs. Okay, so all are being tested. So here, the test report, okay, everything are there. Tomorrow you can see in the website, www.mgiclub.com, and actually you can download them as well. Okay, you can download them. Maybe sometimes when you meet customers, they're asking, is it proven? Where's the test report, this and that? Then you can download it and show them that our products already passed the test report. Okay, so already 2 products done. Next, we go to the accessories or apparels, another apparels. Okay, next item that we want to show you is MGI fabric ionized mask. So we have invented a new generation of ionized masks. Previously, the ionized masks are made from the rubber. Okay, rubber. Now our ionized mask is made of fabric like this. Okay, so if you can see now, this is the mask. Okay, and this is all size. Okay, and let me show you how to wear it. Okay, so there are two rubbers here that you can put your hat on. Okay, let me show you how to wear it. Okay, this. Nah, how do I look? Okay, you can combine also with the frame. Nah, like this. Okay, or maybe you can use the wider frame. Nah. Okay, how do I look? Okay, please don't be scared to see my face like this. Okay, but this mask actually is very revolutionary and very good to wear. You know, because why? A previous mask, when you wear a previous mask, they're made from the rubber, right? When you do, for example, like you walking, you go cooking, you go studying, reading, the mask can fall off easily, correct or not? But here with the fabric mask, okay, because you tight here, okay, you can do anything you like, any activity while during the mask. So that means any activity that you're doing, the therapy is there. Okay, that's why we invented and create this kind of mask. Okay, sir, my face is very big. How is it? Sometimes if very big, that means I will stuck with the mask. It's not comfortable to wear. How is it? Actually, you can just buy another rubber here. You can replace it. You go to the tailor or what, okay, you can replace it with another rubber, because actually the materials, the elements are actually on the mask, okay, on the mask, not here. This one actually to type on your to face only, so it's okay. Okay, now we go to the PowerPoint first. Now, what is the MGI fabric ionized mask? So MGI fabric ionized mask is the first and only one fabric mask with 5 elements that can be used repeatedly. Yes, we can claim that because nobody has ever invented fabric mask like this with 5 elements. Okay, negative ion, fire infrared, germanium, bamboo charcoal fabric, and nano silver, which can eliminate 99.9% bacteria, germs, virus, and fungi. This mask acts as an assisting tool to supply more oxygen to facial or skin pores. It helps your face appear younger and glowing skin. You can wear it anytime, even when you are asleep. So whenever you are comfortable to wear, then just wear it. It's okay. Okay. So these are the benefits of the MGI fabric ionized mask to make your face more cool, fresh, enhance your blood circulation, increase oxygen level in your face, restore elasticity of your skin for the better sleep, cells activation, tighten skin, better breathe, reusable, whitening, relief eye bags, and diminishing inflammation. About the better breathe, what is better breathe? It's not your breathe. No, okay. Better breathe means make your skin on your face more breathable. That means the circulation of the oxygen, the circulation air in your face is better. Okay. Now, so with this, you can do therapy anytime. Okay. How to use it? Simply just clean your face using your maybe face serum, okay, your soap, and then after that, after you clean all your face, you can put the serum on it, okay, put your face, then after that, wear it. After that, wear it. Then let the mask do the work. Okay, since it has also a quite high negative ion level, this will enhance the skin, open the skin pores that will enhance the absorption of the essence, the serum that you're using up to your 7 level of your deeper skin. Okay, so this mask is really revolutionary. You can wear it anytime, anywhere. Okay, and make sure you talk to everyone that, hey, what happened to your face? I'm not sick. This is therapy. I want to make my face better and more handsome after this. Okay, I will more like Tom Cruise if I wear this every day. Thank you very much. Okay, so now we start to do the ion testing. We see how many or how much the negative ion level of this mass. Okay, keep blinking. Keep blinking. Some of the FP are commenting this is like Friday 13th, like Scream. Yeah. All right. Okay, the level is 2,300. So usually we are claiming this is between 1,500 to 2,500. Okay, so this is the negative ion level of this fabric ionized mask. Okay, this revolutionary mask that invented only in MGI. How much, sir? Wait, do not leave the room until I finish my presentation, okay? Okay, already 3 items that I present. So far, so good. Before I continue, I want to check again our audience here. Are you still with me? If you're still with me and you're still excited with my next presentation, please say yes. Yeah, I want to make sure that everyone's still with me. All right. Who wants to become a Scream for Friday 13? Yeah, okay. Okay. I love this mask, really. Okay, and you can sleep with this. All right. Okay, thank you very much for everyone who are in Zoom and also in the Facebook Live. Thank you so much for giving comment, for giving reaction. That means everyone's still with me and still excited. Let's go. We go for next product. Next product is... Oh, before next product, I want to reveal you also the test report, okay? This is very important, okay? Again, we want to ensure that all the products that being released by the company are all past the test report and have the CE, okay? This is very important. You can download this tomorrow in the website, all right? Later, I will send also to Mom Irene, so can share this PowerPoint to everyone, right? Okay, let's go. Next product is... Nah, I think so many people already waiting for this. Okay, MGI Nano Bracelet 4-in-1. Okay, so this is the band. Okay, the bracelet is like this. What is this? The MGI Energy Bracelet is made of high-quality, hypoallergenic, and food-grade synthetic material. It is made of high-quality stainless steel and equipped with 4 elements: germanium, negative ion, far-infrared, nano-silver, and 30 types of minerals combined. Okay, this MGI Energy Bracelet is waterproof, yeah, and can be worn while swimming, bathing, and during all other activities too, including sleeping. Okay, I ever sleep with this, so and it's okay. Okay, these items not only stylish but also good for your health. The rubber band is made of food-grade silicone, which has been proven safe to use. This is the food-grade silicone. Okay, so it's very nice to use, very safe to use, especially when you have a children. Okay, children that sometimes maybe they want to try to use, then sometimes they put it in the mouth. As long as it's clean, it's okay because the silicone is food-grade, no chemicals. Okay. Now, what are the 30 types of minerals combined? So here are inside the bracelet, okay? So behind the steel, there are 4 stones, okay? 4 stones. The black is 30 types of minerals combined. So within that one small black stone, there are 30 types of mineral combined there. And then we have the red stone, okay? It's contains far infrared, okay? And the next is the brown, is a germanium stone, okay? And then the white one contains negative ion, okay? And how about the nano-silver, sir? The nano-silver is inside the silicon band, okay? So the nano-silver are along the silicon band, okay? So if you can see here, okay, this is the band, the rubber band here, the bracelet, I mean, okay? This is the rubber band, this is the bracelet, okay? And behind the steel here, behind here, okay, there are 4 stones. Okay, everyone can see. Okay, 4 stones: the black, the red, the brown, and the white. Okay, the black is the 30 types of minerals combined. The red is the infrared, and then the brown is the germanium, and the white is the negative ion. Okay, all here. Okay, with the MGI logo also in it. Okay, so it's very good. Now, the bracelet benefits, here we go to the PowerPoints again. Okay, so the negative ion helps increase oxygen levels from the hand vessels to improve blood circulation to the brain. Also, it can protect your body from radiation, electromagnetic, or EMF. This type of radiation was found to cause some undesirable effects on your body, such as irregular sleep patterns, heart rate, and mood. And the far infrared on the disc bracelet will also help stimulate blood circulation to refresh your body organs. Okay, this bracelet is a very essential items that you can wear every day. Because why? You put it on your wrist. Okay, you put it on your wrist here. Here we have a very essential blood vessels right here. Okay, and from here it will stimulate to all our body. Okay, that's why sometimes, okay, if you wear it like this or you wear it like this, as long as it's attached, it's really good to help to maintain our blood circulation. This is the very important arterial blood vessel. Okay, here. That's why sometimes you can feel your heartbeat here. If you press your wrist here, you can feel your heartbeat, right? Yeah, because it's connected to your heart, it's connecting also to your brain, it's connecting also to the other organs. Okay, that's why it's very important. So wearing this bracelet is not just stylish, it also good for your health. Okay, it's all good for your health. Now, one box, okay, needs you not just only one bracelet. So one box, you will get all 4 bracelets in one box, okay, with different color. Okay, so here we're not buying, oh, I want the red one, I want the yellow, I want the black. No, so in one box, okay, you get all of them. You get 4 of these, right? Very nice. Okay, we have the red, okay, just now that I show you is the red. And then we have orange. See, orange. Yep, orange, yeah. And then we have the black. Black color. And we have yellow. Okay, so we have all 4. And when you purchase one box, you will get all of them. You will get each color. Okay, now we go for the ion test. So how many the negative ion level for these items? Okay, it's keep blinking. Okay, it's around 600. Actually, sometimes 900 to 1000. That's why actually the negative ion level, because it's for the wrist, is already being standardized between 500 to 1500. It's almost the same like our eyewear. Okay, the negative ion level is around there. Okay, around 600, 900, 1000. Maximum I ever test is 1400. So the negative ion is there. Okay. Oh, one thing, the important thing about this part is we are not using magnets. Maybe some of you are thinking, sir, is this a bracelet you're using magnets in here? No, there is no magnets here. Okay, I have an iron. Usually, if magnets, if we have like iron or what, they will stick. No, okay, no stick, because why? We have no magnets here. That means this bracelet is safe to use for everyone. Maybe you have the clients that are using pacemaker, or maybe have a heart attack, or maybe ever suffering a stroke disease. You can wear it. It's nice. it's okay. You can wear it, okay? Because we are not using magnets, okay? So, how about those who ever have an accident? So maybe there are steels like on the bones, they put the steel on there, or maybe for the heart they ever bypass or using ring or something. No, it's okay. You can wear it because no magnets in it, so it will not affect your body. Okay, even you have metals inside your body. Okay, very nice, stylish, and good for your health. Okay, so later when I see you all in the Philippines, hopefully this will become our uniform. Okay, everyone should wear it. Okay, we wear it together. Okay, let's go. We go to another points here. So as what I mentioned, we have 4 colors and you will get all of it when you purchase one box: red, orange, black, and yellow. Okay, it's food grade silicone, stainless steel 304, silicone gel with nano silver. So these are the materials. Okay, how to wear, just wear it in your wrist, tighten and strap. And then the washing instruction. Okay, sometimes for the bracelet, okay, for those who maybe like to sweat or a lot of activity, sometimes there are the band, okay, the rubber band will become white. Okay, there will be white spot there. Usually a white spot here is because of the fungi of your sweat. Okay, like this, like just like the watch. Okay, if you wearing watch, especially for those who are from leather or rubber, sometimes we found what's that, white spots there. And when you smell it, sometimes quite smelly. Because why? Actually, those are fungi. Okay, actually it's very simple. All you need to do, just use like a tissue or the wet cloth that already put a little bit soap, and then just wipe it. Just wipe it. Wipe and then dry it with the dry cloth and you can wear it again. Okay, so it's very simple. This is the stainless steel. Okay, if this is exposed by water, it's okay. Okay, it's okay. It will not getting rusty because it's a stainless steel. Like myself, I often become sweating. Okay, but I wear this almost every day, but it's no rusty. Okay, it's no rust, so it's okay. You can wear it during taking a bath, swimming. Okay, even sleeping, you can wear it. Sir, I go to gym. Can I wear it? Sure, it's good. Okay, you go to gym and wear it along when you're doing the sport. Okay, so that's how we take care of the bracelet. Okay, no using magnet, so everyone can wear it. Next is the benefits: to reduce free radicals, increase the serotonin hormone, increase body energy, blood circulation, detoxification, and prevent electromagnetic radiation. So by wearing this, it will increase your serotonin hormone. That means your body will always be energized. That's why we name it MGI Energy Bracelet. Okay. And you can combine also by wearing another MGI apparels. It will boost your body circulation, blood circulation even more. Okay, you will energize more. Okay, this is the test report. Once again, every single details of our items already passed the test report. Okay, including the stainless steel there, the rubber band, everything are all passed the test report. All the materials, okay, the flow chart, how to create, how to manufacture, everything, okay, are there, including receiving the CE as well. Okay, so it's already proven it is safety to use. Okay, so next item is the elbow support. Okay, next item is MGI Nano elbow support. Previously, we already have the similar items. It called MGI Nano knee guard, which is already helps a lot of people people's knees and legs, especially for those who suffer like a stroke. Okay, so many people are helped with our products. Now we invented another new innovation. We call it nano elbow support. So like what I wear now, okay, here, and this is the another pair. Okay, so this is only for your elbow. Yep. So what are these? This nano elbow support is the first and only elbow support with 4 elements in the world, which is soft and durable. Yes, it's soft, it's durable, okay, made of bamboo charcoal fiber. This charcoal is processed and is made into nanoparticle and embedded into cotton and polyester fibers. Due to its absorptive properties, activated bamboo charcoal helps to detoxify the skin by removing pollutants, chemicals, and bacteria. So not only to help your elbow become better, but also to help detoxify your skin as well. And then MGI elbow support is embedded with far infrared, nanosilver, organic germanium, and also negative ion. Okay, which is for the negative ion function is it can reduce pains, soreness, tingling, aches, arms, and pain arms and elbows. Okay, so sometimes like knees, okay, like knees, sometimes when you use your hands, you lifting something heavy, sometimes especially here, okay, here it's very risky of pain. Okay, some people maybe they can lengthen their arms like this, but some cannot. They just put like this. If they want to straighten like this, very pain. Okay, why? Maybe because there's happening in the elbow here, the connection here, that problem, or maybe the blood circulation not good. Okay, so it can reduce pain when you do this. Okay. And then also the nanosilver is very effective at killing fungi, germs, bacteria, viruses up to 99.9%. And then the infrared waves work like sunlight in the morning, stimulates blood circulation around the arms. It helps speeding recovery of injury to the arm and elbow. So that means if you are wearing this, okay, the negative ion infrared works from your elbow here. And if the blood circulation here being smoother, okay, it will reduce pain and the blood circulation through all your hands until your shoulder here will be helped. So this will relieve all your elbow and arm pain, okay, especially for those who are working with a heavy lifting job, okay. Most people hands being if they what is that, injuries mostly are happening here. Okay, when you falling down, for example, this usually will help you hold your body, like your knees as well. When you're falling down, this will be the high risk. This will be the high risk that getting impact, okay, of the collision. And also stroke. For stroke disease, sometimes this makes people sometimes they cannot bend the hand, maybe just until here position. If they bend like this or bend like this, it's very painful for them. Now, we can help using this elbow support for your arm. Okay, you get one pair. Okay, so by purchasing this, you not get only one, you will get one pair. Yeah. Now we go for the ion testing. Before we go to ion testing, I want to show you also something that here, inside here, okay? There is like a dots there. So these dots actually, what is that? The ion, and also to make when you put your arms, okay? When you put your arms, it will grip. It will grip more into your elbow. So when you're moving your elbow, it will not easily lose. Sometimes it's easily loose, okay? So that's why with using this, it will not easily lose whenever what activity you do, okay? Heavy weight, you have doing in the gym, so you can wear it more comfortably. Okay, now we go for the ion testing. How many is the negative ion level? Okay, let's keep blinking. Still blinking. All right, 2,216. Okay, so just like Nano Knee Guard, it has quite a high negative ion level because of the therapy in this part and also the knee part. Okay. Next we go. Okay, so this is the elbow support. Let's we go to the PowerPoint again. Now, the other elements functions, okay, we have the organic germanium that has the capacity of oxidative dehydrogenation, able to maintain cells having enough oxygen, regulate the immune system, prevent cancer cell. Why germanium is really good for preventing cancer, and they call so-called like anti-cancer. Actually, germanium is can prevent cancer cells because it has a very, very high antioxidant. Okay, and then increase body resistance, prevent osteoporosis, premature aging, hypertension, restores fatigue, prevents anemia, and helps body metabolism. And the last part is bamboo charcoal. It's completely natural and radiation-free, help maintaining body temperature, remains warm, able to increase blood circulation up to 30%, good for reducing fat, able to break down water molecules and remove toxins. So this is for detoxification process, also very good. Okay, the materials are bamboo charcoal fiber, spandex, yep. So this is a bit elastic, as you can see. And then cotton, polyester, far infrared fiber, negative ion, nanosilver, and germanium. How about the washing instructions, sir? Same also with this mask, okay? How to wash it, okay? So to wash all the fabric material products, okay, do not soak too long. So just use running water, wash it with mild detergent, okay, with the water that's not too hot and not too cold, okay, just wash it, okay, do not soak too long, just wash, scrub gently, then after that, store, what is that? Do not dry direct in the sun. So just dry it in the cool place, okay, maybe under the fan or under the aircon, or you just use the fan like this, okay, just let it dry by itself. Do not dry direct under the sun. Then after that, store it in cool places. Okay, you can bend it like this also, no problem. You can fold it, it's okay. Yeah, okay. Now, MJ Nano Elbow Support suitable for all ages in a variety of conditions for any activities and suitable for helping to recover from injuries to the elbow and arm. Okay, it helps relieve pain in the arms and elbows, help improve blood circulation around the arm and elbow, speed up wound, refresh cells around the arm and elbow area, protect and strengthen arm and elbows. And again, the Nano Elbow Support also passed the technical test report. Okay, all the materials are all safe to use. Okay, the elements are safe. The nano, what is that? Negative ion level are safe or standardized, and also the CE. Okay, so that means again, our products is very, very good and safe to use. Okay, maybe the frequent question about this is, sir, I have a very big hand that cannot fit in. How is it? Same like knee guard case, okay? What you need to do is you buy 2 pairs, okay? You buy 2 pairs, okay? You measure again the hand, the elbow, the arm, you measure again, you cut, okay? And then you combine, okay? See what size they can fit. It's okay, you can cut it and knit it again because all the elements are all inside the fabric, so no worries. Okay, vice versa with the something that I have small arms, it still loose. How? Same. You just measure again and cut following your elbow measurement, your elbow size. It's okay. Okay, the element's still there. Okay, so do not worry. Okay, next product. I think this is the last. Okay, last but not the least, and the most exciting one for me is the bra pads. Okay, MGI Nano bra pads. Where is it? There. You get a pair, okay? Nano bra pads. Okay, the first bra pads with nano technology in the world contains 5 elements: negative ion, far infrared, nano silver, germanium, and copper fiber. Okay, MJ Nano bra pads provide comfortable and air permeable ergonomic cutting, promotes blood circulation, maintain bosom elasticity and health, shapes and lifts the bosoms, suitable for all ages. Copper fiber around the pads to stimulate breast blood flow and metabolism, firming and lifting effect, and prevent breast tumor or cancer. Okay, so MGI Nanobras technology is antibacterial, antimicrobial, anti-allergic, helps cleanse yourself, and then has heat insulation and helps skin health. And this is actually one of the revolution of the copper fiber in the clothing. Okay, so what is the copper fiber? Copper fiber around the pads may increase and stimulate breast blood flow and metabolism, firming and lifting effect and prevent breast tumor or cancer. So inside here, there are copper fiber. Okay. Okay, so these bra pads, okay, you get a pair. You not buy single pads, okay? Because why? If you only single pad, okay, single pad, okay, only one. Later, only one lifted, the other not lift. Then people will see, oh, what happened to your breast? The other one is falling down. The other one is being raised. See? So you get a pair, okay? Now, this is very exciting for me because why? It has a copper fiber. The copper fiber. What is copper fiber? So along here, there's a fiber there. Okay, from copper, it may increase the blood circulation flow. Why copper fiber is very, very good? Because all of our body, we have electricity, diba? Our body contains electricity. That's why when you touch the electricity plug, sometimes you will get electrocuted, correct or not? Nah, because our body, we have electricity level. If you use the ruler, okay, above your hair sometimes they going up. It's a proof that we have the electricity level in our bodies. Now, before I test by my own, even one of our member in Indonesia, okay, he do the demo with a very funny thing. Okay, here, I show you the video. Hold on, I show you. I share screen now. Okay, can you see now the video? This is the demo. In Indonesian language, but it's okay. You just watch. Using ordinary bra, the light not turn on. But using bra pads, the light turns on. Okay. Okay. Okay, can everyone give applause to our bra pads, please? Okay, because our bra pads, okay, can emit the light. So if your house or home appears to be black out, no worries. Just wear this and you can turn on the light. Okay. Yeah, because of why? Why it can turn off the light? Because the copper fiber. It will stimulate the electricity in our body. Okay, in our body. Now I have the lamp here. Okay, now I test myself. Okay, I put here. I put here, and then I. Okay, so you see, it emits light. So no need generator. Okay, okay, okay. So this is the proof. Okay, this is the proof that the bra pads contains the copper fiber, which is very, very good. Okay, what kind of bulb that you can use for demonstration? The bulb that you can use is the emergency bulb. Okay, why the emergency bulb? Okay, not the ordinary bulb. Okay, so emergency bulb, okay, like this LED, okay, it runs, it will emit light if they feel there is an electricity there. Okay, so if you put this on our body, sometimes it will turn light up. Because why? It feels that because our body have electricity. Okay, that's why it can emit light also. But this bra pad, it emits light. That means our bra pads have copper fiber also, that very essential to accelerate the electricity. Okay. Oh, presenting about bra pads makes me sweating really, because I'm really excited with these products. And in Indonesia, I tell you, we boom this product, you know. So many people really help with this. Not because of funny things when we doing the demonstration, but the benefits also. Okay. Now, how to wear it, how to use it. Okay. Even I'm a man, okay, I can demonstrate. Okay, so when you put your bra on, okay, you just slip the bra pad on your breast first. Then after that, you can wear your bra, you can slip it. like this. Okay, so you can wear it as long as when you're comfortable, it's okay. Can you wear it during sleep? Yes, you can wear it during sleep time too. It's okay, right? Okay, and make sure you wear it both. Okay, you wear it both. Don't just wear one of each of the breasts. No. Okay, let the one is falling down. People will confuse seeing your breast. Okay, can men wear it? Can why men cannot? Men can wear it. We can wear for what? Not only for this. If you want to wear this, because why? There are some cases men also get breast cancer, you know. Okay, men also can get breast cancer, but women, breast cancer and cervical cancer, okay, with this, those are two killers in the world, two lady killer, cervical cancer, breast cancer, especially in Indonesia, okay, cervical and breast cancer are #1 and #2 killers of ladies in Indonesia. I don't know in Philippines, maybe same data, but those are proven killers for ladies. So that's why we have these both revolutionary products. Can give applause with MGI. Okay, so time to boom your sales with this. All right. If they're silicone or maybe already have silicone, or maybe the lady got the ring or what, can we wear it? Can. It's okay. It's okay, can. Okay, and this is very elastic. You see the bra pad, I can squish it. Very elastic. Okay, very elastic. Now we test how many the negative level ion. Okay, it keep blinking. Okay, how many is it? 1860. 1860. Okay, quite high. Yeah, we always say the negative ion level is between 1,500 to 2,500 for these items. Okay, they have quite high negative ion levels. Okay, let's go to the PowerPoint. We finish it. So the benefit of the nano bra pads is provide oxygen levels around the breast. Oxygen level is really, really important in our body. The conclusion of all of our new products actually to increase your oxygen levels, including for the bra pad. You know why? Why people get disease? Why people get sick? Why the fungi virus can develop in our body? Because sometimes our body lack of oxygen levels. We are too tired, stressed, okay? Our serotonin level going down, okay? Then the oxygen level is going down too. That's why the virus, the fungi, everything start to develop and the disease is there, okay? That's why oxygen level is very important in our body. And then helps prevent breast cancer. As what I said, breast cancer is the #1 or #2 killer besides cervical cancer. That's why for ladies also, this one, okay, this one is very essential, your underwear and this, okay? How about for men? There's no men asking for men. Okay, for men, actually for men, for kid, you can use it for what? For example, you get a fever, okay, simple. Just put the bra pads here and then you go to sleep. Can, diba? Can. Because it will increase your blood circulation here. It's okay. Okay, or you can put eye mask, okay, eye mask and put here and you can go to sleep. Can. Okay, put in your pillow, put under your pillow. Okay, all your products like this also you can put in the pillow. Okay, put here on your chest. Okay, everything you can put. Okay, that's why this is the revolutionary product of MGI. You can give applause to our products. You can wear it with anything, anywhere, any kind. Okay, and then again for the bra pads, increased amount of breast milk for breastfeeding mothers. This is very important for those lactating mother there. Okay, nowadays in modern era, so many new mothers there lacks less of breast milk. Okay, maybe of hormone or unstable hormones, something like that. Okay, it can help. Okay, help smooth hormone circulation, help breast elasticity. Okay, for those who are still single, okay, don't have a husband yet, this is very nice to attract men, okay? But for those who already become a mother, it will help your breast elasticity. And of course, when during pregnancy, it can start to stimulate the hormone to create the breast milk. Okay, how to wash this? Same with the other fabric materials. Do not soak too long. Okay, just use the running water. Okay, with the light soap, and then you just scrub it gently. Then after that, do not dry under direct sunlight. Just go to the fan or under the air conditioning, then just dry there, and then you can fold it like this, put there. Okay. And again, our bra pads already passed the test report and also have the CE. Okay. Okay, so that's all for the products. Now, for the moment of truth, the price. Okay, the price. How much, sir? And when we can start to order it? Okay, how much, sir? And when we can start to order? Okay, I really, so many people already texting that I want to wear it, cannot wait. Yeah, you can wear it directly as long as we launch it. Okay, so first, our bra pads, how much is this? Per pair. It's only 50 PB. Okay, it's only 50 PB. Okay, the SRP is 4,200 pesos per pair. Okay, 1 PV is 70 pesos. So that means member price is 3,500 pesos or 50 PV. Okay, for those who don't understand, so what is PV? It's okay. Later we will have the Complan presentation training. Okay, so this is the price. Can be ordered via registration, upgrade, redemption, or repeat order features. Okay, this is the bra pads. Okay, you want to take photos, or later I will ask Ma'am Erin to share the PowerPoints. Okay, next is actually it's not bra pad. This is the elbow support. I made a typo, sorry. The elbow support price also the same, 50 PV per pair. Okay, this elbow support 50 PV per pair. Okay, member price 3,500 pesos and SRP 4,200 pesos per pair. Okay, for the elbow support. Next, the fabric ionized mask. Okay, this is only 25 PV or 1,750 pesos per piece, or the SRP is 2,100 pesos per piece. Okay, very cheap, right? Very affordable price for a very high quality products. Okay, this is an MGI club only. Okay, when you can get the nanotechnology product with this kind of price, okay, good for your health, proven with the test report. Okay, next we go for the next item, underwear. Okay, for the male underwear is only 25 PV. Okay, per piece. So it's only 1,750 pesos per piece, or SRP is 2,100 pesos per piece. Okay, stretchable to triple XL. Okay, this is the underwear. How about the ladies? The ladies is a bit expensive, 50 PV, but you get 3 pieces. So one pack, you will receive 3 pieces. This is not bra pads again, sorry, typo. This is actually women's underwear. Okay, 3 pieces, SRP 4,200 for 3 pieces, and only mid-rise, okay? No low-rise, it's mid-rise. Okay, mid-rise. Okay, and then the energy bracelet. As I said, one box, you will get all 4. Okay, this is 100 PV. You will get all 4 pieces, each color. Okay, its SRP is 8,400 pesos for 4 pieces. Okay, so that's all my presentation. So by tonight or tomorrow morning, I think Ma'am Irene will have to share the PowerPoints and also the new price list. Okay, we already updated in HQ our new price list of all items, including the new one. Okay, including the new one. So tomorrow we'll share all of it, including the video also. Now, the last question before I finish. When I can start to order them? Right? Who wants to order, say yes. Who wants to order, say yes. Who wants to order now? Who wants to order? Okay. All right, so many people already saying yes. Okay, so before I stop, okay, there's the very last question. When I can start to order it? Okay, you can start to order them. You can start to order them by tomorrow. Okay, by tomorrow morning, when the system start to open, I will double check again inside the system, make sure the items are there. If the items not yet there, please report to the HQ, we will put there. Okay, so by tomorrow, you can start to order them. For all the mobile stockists, the master stockists, you can start also to do stock order for that products into your inventory as well. Okay, so that's all my presentation for tonight. Hopefully my presentation is clear enough, and hope to see you again in the Philippines. Don't forget to try all of our new products, our new invention. And one more thing, all the innovations here also created by our one mastermind, okay, our own global CEO, Anthony Chin, Dr. Anthony Chin. Okay, he's the one also to help invented all of this with the technology and the test report that he created. Okay, please give applause to Sir Anthony Chin also, and back to you, Ma'am Irene, for the next session. Thank you, thank you. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po. See you.
Okay, thank you, Sir Bram. Thank you for the very detailed and very clear presentation. I guess the 230 now in the Zoom and the 1,000 viewers in FB Live would like now to order the new products, especially the, I don't know if what is their favorites. Can you chat what is your favorite product among those that being presented? Sige nga, tingnan ko nga. Kasi baka mamaya yung iba maubusan ha. Sige, go. Tingnan natin. Let's see what is your favorite product tonight among those new products. So, okay, everyone, type here. What is your favorite among the products shared today? Tingnan. Oh, all bra. Meron ng sagot sa yung bra pads. Meron ng sagot sa brownout. Tama ba? May sagot na sa brownout? Okay, continue ko kasi meron pang mga hindi na shout out kanina. Sayang naman yung effort ng mga nagpa-shout out. Shout out to our viewers from Japan, from Calgary, Canada, to Kamanaba Distributors, San Narciso, Quezon. I have seen also some from Lebanon, Bohol, then Coronadal City, Cotabato. Ayan, mas nakikita ko ang daming watching from Germany and Austria. Then ang daming bra. Okay. Parang nanalo ang bra pads ngayon We will make sure that we have a complete inventory of products. So, okay, thank you again, Sir Bram. Hindi ko na patatagalin. Alam ko naman na inaantay nyo ito. Kanina pa lang dito sa office nagtatanong na, "Ma'am, meron bang promo? Meron bang sasabihin tonight?" Hindi ko alam actually. Pero tingnan natin for our last speaker, of course, sabi nga ni Sir Bram, our inventor of the new products that being shared today. So, hindi ko na po patatagalin, tatawagin na po natin ang ating one and only global CEO. Help me welcome by typing heart. Ayan. Mag-type kayo ng heart para mamaya after niya magsalita, mag-Q&A.
We go for the
Okay.
Q&A first. We go to Q&A first. We open with
okay,
Q&A first.
Okay. Alright, so bago daw magsasalita ang ating CEO, let's open the floor for Q&A first. So, siguro yung iba, just raise hands. Then I will just read yung mga nahihiyang magsalita. We will go to the Q&A. Actually, I have seen some question a while ago, sir. They are asking if can beware by her sister. Oh, wait.
Is it about the breast that being used like the silicone or something like that just now, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That's the question.
Yeah, actually during my presentation, I had mentioned that these bra pads there is no restriction to wear. Okay, so if your sister or somebody already use a silicone implant in the breast, is it safe to use? Yes, it can use. Okay, it can use. Even though for those who suffer like heart attack with rings, put the metal inside the breast, it's okay also. It's okay also. How about the breast cancer that already have a scar there, have a liquid there, maybe a bit bloody? Is it okay? It's okay. Just clean it, then after that you can wear it also. It's safe because this is no magnets. Okay. All the elements are inside here. So it's okay. It's okay to use. Okay. So
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
mm.
How much? They're asking for the negative ion tester, sir.
So many people asking about the negative ion tester, but what I know is quite expensive, but that one actually maybe Dr. Anthony Chin will answer better than me. uh,
Yeah.
uh, yeah, later maybe Sir Anthony can tell. Okay.
Okay. Shout out Team Optimus International. Uh-huh. I haven't seen any other. Oh, this one, sir. Please unmute Ma'am Nelly.
Yep.
She
Okay.
is raising her hand.
Yep. I already unmute you, Ma'am Nelly. You can open your mic. It's okay. Never mind. While we're waiting for Ma'am Nelly, we go to the other question first.
Okay. I haven't seen any other question here,
I
sir.
see the question from Cebu. Sir, can we use our redemption to purchase the new products? The answer is yes. You can use your redemption points to get the products tomorrow. Okay, and
Oh.
then from Mila Antoni, do you have also a bra where we can put inside? For that type of bra, we not invented any bra. That's why we invented these bra pads. Why we invent these bra pads better than we invent a bra? Okay, bra pads is suitable for any kinds of bra. Okay, whether the bra that have pocket inside or the bra that don't have any pocket, just slip it. Okay, so this one more efficient, more flexible to use, either rather than we provide bras, because bras also has a lot of size, right? Maybe it's like 35 or 27, 30, something like that. But here, any kind of bra, okay, with any shape of breast, because ladies' breasts have different shapes, okay? Any shapes is suitable with these bra pads, okay? So any kind of bra can wear this, okay? And then, sir, can I share my bra pads to my sister? Yeah, you can share the bra pads to your sister. It's okay. And the UV tester. Okay, so about the ion tester and UV tester, maybe later on, Sir Anthony can give comments. Hoping for some promo or promos again. Okay. How much the elbow support? Elbow support is 50 PV. Okay, thank you, Sir Robert Jumon, to help. Okay, 50 PV is 3,500 pesos per member. And then for the SRP is 4,200. Okay. And then the other question is, sir, I redeemed 1 nano socks this morning on my account. How much the delivery fee? That one you may contact the HQ number. Okay, the HQ number. And then this Mom Lorena question is very good. What the difference between fabric ionized mask and the mask we have already in the system? Of course, different. The mask, the ionized mask that we have in the system are made from rubber. Do you have the old mask? Okay, I don't have my sample in here. actually have in my room there. If you may, okay, you can wait. I will take there first that I show you. Our mask, previous mask is made from the rubber. Okay, rubber. This is not so elastic. If you pull it like this, it can tear apart very easy. And then when you wear it, you must like this, because if you wear like this, it will slip down. Okay, because it's made from rubber. Okay, but this mask, okay, is made of fabric. So of course the material is different already. The material, the how to use is already different already. Rubber and the fabric, okay, is really different. Okay. Okay, Ma'am Irene, maybe you can continue first while I try to get my X mask there. Wait.
Okay, sir. There's no more question. Any more other question? Just raise your hand if you want to talk. Okay. Advantage for fabric mask is we can wear it even we are at work. Yes, tama po. How much is the introductory price for the bra pad, sir? It's 50 PB po or 3,500.
Yan. So this is the old mask, okay, that I have. So it's already a bit tear apart. It's made from the rubber where if you try to pull like this, it can tear apart, okay. And then when you use it, you wear it, you need to lay down like this. Okay. So when you want to do, for example, you want to read, you want to cook, you want to work, then slip down. Okay. Even though we sometimes we say this one you must wear it approximately 30 minutes. Okay, during you laying down or you sleep. Okay, you wear this 30 minutes, but when we sleep, sometimes our face we go left, right. Of course, this mask is not efficient. Okay, so it's a bit different. It's a bit different.
Sorry, Sir Bram.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the question is the difference. Okay, the difference.
So
the difference of the private face mask and the silicone rubber face mask. Actually, for the benefits and the elements inside, there are no difference. Okay, no difference at all. Okay, only we are using different material. Okay, different material. One is using a silicone rubber. Another one is now we are using the fabric one. So you can choose either you still like the silicone rubber or the fabric one. Of course, with the fabric mask, we have the we call it the ear loop or ear loop. Then you can wear it anywhere you go, even you're sleeping. Whereas the silicone rubber mask, it can easily fall down. And there are a lot of complaints before, as the silicone rubber is very sensitive. Maybe you contact with some detergent or even some cosmetic with chemicals. If you change the color, okay, or it will become like squeezing. The rubber's material will become squeezing. So a lot of complaints. Okay, but new innovations of these silicone rubber face mask too later on. Okay, with the ear loop too. So on top on we will have a new invented silicone rubber face mask and also our favorite face mask. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. There is a question here. Why our knee guard is itchy?
Okay, so why the knee guard is itchy? Actually, this is because sometimes like a detoxification. Okay, so like myself, I'm wearing a knee guard every day. Okay, sometimes it's getting itchy. Okay, there are two reasons get itchy. First is maybe the detoxification due to our toxin there. So it will the toxin will come out. Okay, become like a sweat, okay, in form of sweat as a result of the detoxification, okay. And some people even not just itchy, sometimes they got the knee swollen also, swollen and reddened also as a result of that, okay. So that means this knee guard is working, okay. And you may feel the pain relief also, whether the pain is pain relief or not. And the second part, maybe the knee guard is too stiff for your knees. Maybe it's too tight for your knees. So that's why if your knee guard or just like elbow support, same also. Elbow support will have same issue, right? So if you think that this is not fit enough, you can try to buy 2 pairs and you measure and you knit it. Okay. So all the products in MGI may have like that. Thank you.
I think there's an additional from me. Okay, why is it itchy? There are a few reasons why it's itchy. Okay, first thing, because of the flows, okay, of the fine florets that you do the detoxifications. Okay, detoxifications. Second thing is because in the healing process. Okay, healing process also will cause you itchiness. Okay, like our wound, sometimes we have wound in the skin when it's want to be healed and get dry, sometimes also it's itchy. So it's a healing process. And the third thing, so maybe your skin is allergy to the fabric, to the bamboo charcoal fabric. Okay, so if your skin is allergy, that means you have to use it on and off. Okay, that means when you feel itchy, you don't use it. So after some time, then you use it again, so that it get used to it, get used to your skin. Okay, I think that's, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Is the BraPad safe for cancer patient who is currently doing her medication, chemotherapy?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a.
Yeah, we recommend all cancer patients to wear it. It's that's why it's helping to prevent cancer. Cancer cell to grow. Also for healing. Okay, for a better speed up of if it is a wound, what? Okay, but of course, cancer you have to go together with the treatment from doctors. Okay, and also medication from doctor. You can use it when when you are doing your chemotherapy or other medication. You use it anytime, no problem.
Okay, thank you, sir. Is there will be an available rubber bracelet just in case the rubber bracelet worn out? Maybe this is the replacement if it is worn out.
No, we don't have spare part for that. Okay, but I'm using it for years. Okay, I'm using it for years. Okay, I think maybe it's more than 5 years, but no problem at all.
Okay, thank you, sir. Shout out to my grand upline, Master Sir RC Fernandez. Oh, andito pala Sir RC. Sir, how about the washing instruction for BraPads? Is it safe to use detergent also? As discussed with Sir Bram a while ago, please use yung hindi masyadong matapang na sabon. How long can the face mask?
You can wash it. You can wash it. You can wash it with my detergent. Detergent, what is better to use a detergent like what's that? Shampoo, bath shampoo for baby, the Johnson baby, a light one. Okay, not really heavy one. Okay, and then you can brush it with the toothbrush also. Okay, slightly toothbrush, the soft toothbrush. Okay, and don't wash it inside the washing machine.
Okay, sir. How long can the face mask and BraPads be used? Long. How long?
As long as you comfortable. Yeah, as long as you can.
You can the whole day, no problem.
No limit, sir.
No limit.
Okay, sir. Sir, why is the Nano Ion spec for kids? The handle is easy remove. It's pricey and the client's concern should be durable.
Sorry, we are having a product presentation today. Any concern with the other products, please contact our customer service.
Okay, sir. At the beginning, I experienced it was really itchy, but after a month, really works. I'm using it even by sleeping. My problem with knee guard when I wear it while working, or walking it usually fall down. Maybe you can find means that each can adjust the tightness. For this concern, please message me directly or message our customer service number so that we can discuss further.
For those who for the elbow guide, elbow support for the knee guide, it is too big and loosen, okay, you can go to a tailor, okay, and then you can make it smaller, okay, cut it and make it seal it again smaller, and it won't affect the element inside. It won't affect the element inside. Don't worry about that. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
But our elbow guide and knee guide is even for bigger size, bigger hand, bigger knee, no problem because it's very elastic. But for maybe for the smaller side, you can go to tailor. Okay, you can seal it yourself. Okay, it's no problem. Even you cut it with scissor and then you seal it again, it won't affect the element inside because the whole fabric it contains elements. Thank you.
Okay, sir. This is for the neck belt. Can we answer?
Yes.
Dr. Chin, what about the neck belt? Is it good for having goiter?
Yes. Yes. So many people have been helped with this problem. With goiter problems. Okay. So I advise you to eat or drink more seaweed soup. Okay, cook the seaweed and eat the soup or the seaweed itself. So it will help a lot.
Oh. Okay. Is it safe for kids if ever the bra pad used for any purpose? Thanks. Yes.
Kids are how many years old? I don't know.
Yeah, maybe the teenagers. Okay, so there's no
yes.
question.
How about that's now the negative ion tester? Okay, tester. Actually, the negative ion tester you can buy online. Okay, it's ranging about 1,000 to 1,500 US dollar. Okay, for the tester itself. Okay, for the UV tester and the anti-radiation tester for the glasses, later we will have it in the office for you to purchase. Okay, I think maybe another 1 month we did order some of the UV and also the anti-radiation tester, and then available in the office. Maybe it took about 2 to 3 weeks for delivery. Then later on will be announced if available. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. Since the bra pads has copper fiber, will still be safe for those who has metals inside the body?
Yes. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. It's safe.
Okay, sir. So there's no more question.
Yeah, actually got some questions also on the FB, but I had answered some in the comments. Maybe Ma'am Irene can check also in the FB.
Okay, sir. I will check.
So maybe I want to just additional about our new elements in the bra pad. Okay. So as just now Sir Bram has mentioned that our bra pad beside contain the 4 elements. Okay. Also it contains the copper fiber. Okay. So what is actually is the copper fiber? What's the purpose of the copper fiber? Okay. Of course, the main purpose of the copper fiber is the antimicrobial. Okay. Microbial is this copper have a natural antimicrobial and antifungal properties that can help inhibit the growth of bacteria, mold, and also the mildew on the fabric itself. Okay. So because a lot of cancer patients, okay, they're facing these bacteria problems, you see. So besides we have the nano silver also, and it's proven that it has been proven scientifically proven that this copper fiber also is good for anti-microbial. Okay, so this copper fiber infuse the fabrics useful for active way. Okay. Bedding, oven, or other application that require odor control and also cleanliness. Okay, so and also it's good for thermal regulations. Okay, So copper is a good conductor of heat, okay? Allowing copper infuse fabrics to help regulate our body temperature. So the fabric can draw heat away from the body to keep the weather become cool, or retain heat to keep them warm. So it's by purpose, okay? So it can keep the weather to become cool and also retain the heat to keep them warm. So it's very fantastic element. So also if you have a statics resistant, okay, so copper fiber also have the ability, okay, to dissipate the static electricity, okay, preventing fabrics from cringing or building up static charge, okay. So and then this copper fiber is very durable. They have a very good durability, are strong and durable, adding strength and also longevity to the fabrics. Okay, and also copper fiber also can help and absorb, okay, harmful UV radiations. Okay, providing sun protection for the wearer. Okay, especially for those who have go to the beach. Okay, they're wearing swimming suit or what. So you better put on. This bra pad into your bra, because why? As you know, if the sun is too hot, so it will cause skin cancer also. Okay, so and also of course this with this antimicrobial properties of copper also help minimize odor causing bacteria, keeping fabrics fresh for longer time. And also, it's good for skin's benefits. Okay, research suggests copper may have skin health benefits. Okay, potentially aiding in wound healings and reducing inflammation when in contact with the skin. So overall, the unique properties of copper make it a very useful additive for performing fabrics, active wear, bedding, and other textile applications that require enhanced functionality beyond just the aesthetics quality of the material. And one more thing is that about the underwear, okay? So obviously we have the underwear that the size is ranging M to XL for men and women, M to XL. Okay, now this new underwear is a big size, okay, from XL to triple, even to 4XL, okay, because it's very stretchable. So we have now two sizes or two types, not two sizes, two types from M to XL and XL to triple XL. Okay, so don't mistake that the old one is no more. It's still available. Okay, and also the bracelets. Okay, the four elements that Sir Bram showed you at the back of the stainless steel. This stainless steel is called grade 304. Grade 304. 304 is the highest standard, highest grade of stainless steel. Okay, so the four elements beside put it at the back of the stainless steel. We have the negative ion, the minerals, sound, okay, minerals, negative ion, infrared, nano silver. We have the 30 minerals and also germanium stone at the back of the stainless steel. But don't forget that the silicon rubbers, the bands of the bracelets also contain these four elements. Not only at the back of the stainless steel, but of the rubber band also is contain the four elements: negative ion, infrared, germanium, and nano silver. So I think and our bracelets is different from others in the market. Okay, because why? Most of the bracelets in the market at the back of the stainless steel or metal of titanium mostly are magnet. Okay, we don't use magnet because why? Magnet is not advisable for heart problem patient or heart problem people to use. Okay, especially those with heart problem with some equipment inside the heavy plant inside the heart, like pacemaker, all this. So for breast pacemaker and heart problem, or even very high pressures, very high pressures of blood pressure, you cannot. Not advisable to use a magnet. So our itself, we don't use magnet at all. We use all the four stone at the back all from minerals. I think that's additional from me. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. I cannot see the messages in the FB Live.
Yeah, because FB Labs I'm quite heavy.
Yeah. So I will just read other questions here. People with pacemaker may use the new MGI products like bra pads, face masks, etc. Yes. Just want to say that I love all the products. Good evening. Hi ma'am, clarify lang po sa paggamit sa term heal and cure. Some of the members po kasi ginagamit ito sa pag-offer ng MGI products. Is that okay? No. We already instructed that they don't have to use the term heal or cure. Sino to? Jason, Jericho, ikaw dapat hindi ginagamit yan. That's overclaiming. Okay, so if there are no other questions, we will give now the floor to our global CEO. So let's welcome Sir Anthony Chin, Dr. Anthony Chin for our closing remarks.
Right, thank you, Ma'am Erwin, for hosting this event today, and so Sir Bram for doing the presentations of our new product today. Very good evening to everyone. Now we have 182 in the Zoom, and we have about 1,000 plus in Facebook, in 1,000 plus viewer in Facebook. Okay. Once again, good evening, everyone. Okay. I would like to extend heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you for gracing us with your presence as our new products launching event today. Your presence here means a great deal to us, and we are truly grateful for your support and interest in our latest endeavor. Today, we have unveiled some of our most innovative and cutting-edge technological products, and we are thrilled to see the positive reactions and enthusiasm from all of you. Your feedback and encouragements are invaluable to us as we continue to push the boundaries of innovations and bring new and exciting products to the market. We are excited to announce that this is just the beginning. Okay, we have many more groundbreaking technological products in the pipeline, and we cannot wait to share them with you in the near future. MGI is always dedicated to staying at the forefront of technology and deliveries of products that not only meet but exceed your expectations. Your presence here today inspires us to keep striving and for excellence and pushing the limit of what is possible. So we are truly grateful for your continued support, and we look forward to sharing more exciting developments with you in the coming months. I think maybe another one or 2 weeks we will announce some more new products. Okay, new technology products in our new platform. We have another platform created. We call it a direct selling platform for those who are not in the network business. Okay, now we have another platform for you later on with our new products for the direct selling only. Okay, so later on we will announce, and we will have another event for presenting to you our new technological products very soon. So once again, thank you for attending our new products launching event. We are honored to have you here, and we are excited for what the future holds. Stay tuned for more amazing technological products coming your way soon. And thank you, and more earning to everyone. Thank you very much. Selamat po.
Thank you, everyone. I forgot to call on our global CEO. So, COO, Sir Arik, would you like to share something? Sorry, I forgot to call you. Ayan.
Actually, I didn't prepare anything to share tonight, as tonight Zoom is actually for the new product launching. But as some of you might know that yesterday, I think most of you have seen our new SOP that been published. So, however, today there are still some of our members that walk into our office here, and then they are still confused about the transaction here. So I urge everyone. So if you haven't seen the SOP yet, you can request it from Mom Irene. Or else when you come to the office, actually we did display it in front of the office here. So I think for now, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sir Eric. Thank you, everyone. See you in the office. Please take note our posting for the everyday MOM meeting here in HQ. Please feel free to come from 10 a.m. up to 6:30 p.m. Bye, everyone. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye-bye.